Welcome you all students. In today's session, I am going to discuss with you chess players written by Premchand. Four scene we are discussing today's class. In a previous class, Mir Sahib and Mirza Sajid Ali both are playing in the chess game in a bank of Gomati in one of the small mosque, and it is a very old mosque. At that time, Lucknow city is captured by the British army, and to arrest the Wajid Ali Shah, he was a Nawab of Awadh kingdom. Then kingdom also captured by the British army. But then both are looking at scene of to how British armies captured the Awadh kingdom. Mirza Sajid Ali is a very loyal for his king, but due to some of the reason, he is disloyal to his king. Mir Sahib is one of the foolish person. He is already spoiled it, and he is spoiled to others. They are playing in the game at Moscow that are built by the Shiraj Uddaul Asafuddin. Three games are already played that each other. Evening time is happen of that. All bats are flying, and all who are the working that peoples and animals, they are returned to the home, but they are not stopping to playing the game. They again continue the ready to play the fourth game. Fourth game was started that at that time one of the intention to play by the played by the Mirza Sajid Ali, because he already lost the three games, because every game is very painful, defeated the, so defeated is always painful. So that's why they're taken to revenge on against the Mir Sahib. He is ready to play the chess game. Chess play game was started that at that time. Some of the teasing words used by the Mir Sahib. Yes, let's start to sing about the your elegy song of Nawab, because he is lost there his kingdom. So and it is a terrible to the, it is a irritated to the Mir Sahib, Mirza Sahib, and also some of that rules are talking each other of that. Mirza Sahib, Mir Sahib is telling that don't move unnecessary. If you interested to move, then only you touch the pen or the coin. Otherwise, don't touch the any coin. Some of the rules restricted by the Mir Sahib. At that time, Mir Sahib is played the king, means in Urdu language using that wazir. He was played that at that time. His next move of that Mir Sahib was wanted to defeated. At that time, don't put back. It is not a good. So you only checkmate to only, or the uh, otherwise don't do that. Otherwise don't do move that coin any of that. Just you only checkmate to me. Otherwise don't do not done the draw match. And some of the words are terrible to irritate to the Mirza Sajjad Ali. He has some of the time he is controlling that. Lastly, he is uncontrolled that he started to shouting. It is a turn into the another form. They both are argue each other, and in a words they are fighting each other. At that moment, Mirza used some of the words against the Mir Sahib. Your Jagirdar is not come by the ancestors. That your family background are your ancestors are grass cutters. You are a very poor background came from that, so you are one of the foolish person. So for due to the some of the good work you have done, get a Jagirdar. So it is some of the good things, good action done by the ancestors. So you are leading a good life. Otherwise, you are also became a grass cutter. At that time, Mir also losing his control. Stop that. Don't continue. Then I am talking your family background. Your family background people are your ancestors are cook, because they are cooking in Gaji Uddin's family, to next to become a, they are the noble person, noble man. Then these are all the doing the works are done by the in your family. It is not a good that at that time Mirza hold that and hold your mother, hold your tongue. Otherwise the position or the situation going to the turn into another form. At that time I don't have any afraid, so whatever it I will be face the situation told by the Mirza. At that time both are started to fight each other. The they both are no one are protect to both as person. They both are fight each other. The fight has begun that and the time is happen very night. At that time that building was very weak. Piece of the one first in a first step, the piece of the wall is started to broken. Then the arch is broken, the wall is broken, then the pillar is also broken. Means indirectly saying that that will be building is destroyed, that broken by the old stage. So here both are also fighting each other. They both are also both are also become a died. This is one of the fantastic short story of the Munshi Premchand. So here of that using the some of the tricks by the ಪ್ರೇಮ್ಚಂದ್ ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮೀರ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೀರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡೋನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವನು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಚೀಟಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಆಟವನ್ನು ಗೆಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದು ಮಿರ್ಜಾ ಸಜ್ಜದಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಆಟ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯುದ್ಧದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೋರಾಟದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಸಾವನ್ನಪ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಿತಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಧೋಗತಿಯತ್ತ ನಾಶ ಹತ್ತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರೆ, ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಆಟವನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ರಕ್ತ ಸಹಿತವಾಗಿ ಏನಂತ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.